Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can buy a Webshare proxy. Using a Webshare proxy is really useful for safely managing multiple accounts, avoiding IP bans, and accessing geo-restricted content. Make sure that you have a Webshare account ready. So, once you're here, what you will have to do is sign into your account. And once you've logged in with your account credentials, basically, you will just have to choose your proxy type, but and then you will just have to navigate to the um, plan section. So it should be somewhere right here. So anyway, what you will have to do is you will choose from residential or data center proxies or proxy servers, static residential, rotating residential. So it's completely up to you. You can compare features like the location, the speed, IP, pool size, and all that stuffs. And when you wanna select a plan, you will of course pick the plan that fits your needs, and then you will just have to click this option right here which says buy now. And then after that, after clicking buy now, you will basically be prompted to enter your billing details, of course. And after that, you will just have to complete your purchase. And then once you complete your purchase, you will just have to access your proxy by going to your dashboard. So basically you will be redirected here, and then you will go to your proxy section. So it really depends on the layout of your screen, but you should just explore basically the screen so that you will be able to see that section. So anyway, once you see proxies, just click that, and then you will copy ID IP port, username, and password. And if you want to test the proxy, you can use the proxy in your browser or go log in and check if your IP and location match, and ensure that it works for your intended purpose. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you, and have an awesome day.